friends, welcome to Bilay's Mathemagics. Today we have a multiple choice question to solve. Square root of 81% minus 9% is equal to dash. And the options are A 0, B 81%, C 8.1%, and D 0.81%. This question cannot be solved directly since we cannot find the square root of any number in the percent form. So, from the percent form, 81% and 9% have to be converted into their fractional or decimal forms. So, let's just visit a basic concept, that is how to convert a percent into a fraction or a decimal, and vice versa, that is from a fraction or a decimal back into a percent. To convert a percent to a fraction, we divide it by 100 and keep it in the fractional form. For example, 30% is equal to 30 divided by 100 is equal to 3 divided by 10. So 3 by 10 is the fractional form of 30%. Very easy, right? To convert a percent to a decimal, we divide it by 100 and continue the division till the decimal form is reached. For example, 30% is 30 divided by 100 is equal to 0.30 is equal to 0.3. So 0.3 is the decimal form of 30%. Now here, since the divisor is always 100, we can use the shortcut method, which is moving the decimal point 2 places to the left of the dividend. Now, we also need to know how to convert back to percents from fractions and decimals. In both the cases, multiply by 100. That is, just reverse the process. Let's first convert from fraction to percent. For example, 3 divided by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into 100% is equal to 300 by 5%, which simplifies to 60%. Next, we convert from decimal to percent. For example, 0.7 is equal to 0.7 multiplied by 100%. This simplifies to 70%. This time, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Summarizing, we can say that to convert from percent to fraction or decimal, we divide by 100 and remove the percent symbol. While to convert from fraction or decimal to percent, we multiply by 100 and add the percent symbol. The table below gives the fractional and decimal values of substandard percents. As you can see here, I have written the fractions in the linear form so as to save space, so as to get the whole table on a single page. Now, coming back to our multiple choice question, first we convert 81% into its fractional form, which is 81 divided by 100. Then square root of 81% is equal to square root of 81 divided by 100. Taking separate square roots of the numerator and the denominator, this becomes 9 by 10. Let this be equation 1. After that, we convert 9% to its fractional form, which is 9 by 100, and this will be equation 2. So our question, square root of 81% minus 9% actually becomes 1 minus 2, which is equal to 9 by 10 minus 9 by 100. Now, to subtract two fractional quantities, the denominators must be the same. So we need to make this denominator 100. For that, we multiply the fraction 9 over 10 by 10 over 10, so that we get the same fraction with 100 in the denominator. Putting 90 by 100 in place of 9 by 10, our original question becomes square root of 81% minus 9% is equal to 90 by 100 minus 9 by 100. Now, since the denominators are the same, we subtract the numerators and get 81 by 100. And converting this fraction into its percent form gives us 81%. Therefore, square root of 81% minus 9% is equal to 81%. From the options, we can see that option B is the right answer. That's all for today. My next video deals with a slightly confusing person problem with an interesting solution. Do watch it, friends.